okay, Valerie? You got booger in your nose?
I'm not getting my booger. It's in my nose.
Are you tired? What's wrong? What do you want? You want something? You want something? Answer me or else I'm not gonna buy anything. What? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Hmm? Mom, what's wrong with her?
Nhớ tổ chế